So the same question in this 2018 exam was repeated later in 2023. You'll see the only difference is that the variables, they're using x and y instead of u and v, and then that expression is different. But the approach is very similar, and it seems like they like to repeat this. So first thing is, if you notice that, don't expand that because you don't want to do extra work. Of course, it's there to force you. You move these terms to the other side, and then you say, do I notice a pattern here? Okay, this is plus. And that has to do with, can I combine these terms? So if you distribute this, you will see that that's an identity, and this can be written as u plus 2v square. Now you have sum of two terms that each are being squared. So it's like this: if a squared plus b squared is 0, the only way this would be true if both a and b are 0, because these are both positive numbers. So that means u has to be equal to minus 2v and u minus 2v equal to 1. So if u is minus 2v, you will get minus 4v is 1, or v is minus 1/4. And then I can figure out u by plugging in, and that becomes half. And then I just have to plug that in here. Half plus 3 times minus 1/4. So it's half minus 3/4. This is really 2/4. So I end up with minus 1/4, which is choice D. So make sure you kind of recognize this concept. I mean, obviously, if you start expanding this and trying to eliminate terms, it will probably get messy, or maybe in this case, you eventually will be able to, but you always want to avoid doing grunt work and just look for these kind of patterns. There's a few of these types of questions. So to summarize, the answer is D.